Patrícia Galvão, known as Pagu, was a prominent Brazilian writer, journalist, poet, and political activist. Born in 1910, she was a key figure in the modernist and anthropophagic movements, and her literary work and political activism made her one of the most iconic voices of cultural and social resistance in Brazil. Parque Industrial, 1933, was her debut novel, regarded as the first proletarian novel in Brazilian literature. In this work, Pagu presents a raw and direct portrayal of the struggles of the working class, with a special focus on women workers. Industrial Park is set in the working-class neighborhoods of São Paulo during the 1930s, a period marked by intense industrialization and exploitation of laborers. The book depicts the harsh living conditions of workers, particularly women, who face sexual abuse, exploitation in the factories, and the precariousness of their daily lives. Among the main characters are Karina, Otavia, and Luzia, women who struggle to survive in a world of oppression and social inequality. At the core of the book, Pagu portrays the cycle of poverty and exploitation that defines the lives of these characters. The novel features scenes of factories, strikes, police repression, and moments of resistance by the workers. At the same time, the author critiques the industrial bourgeoisie, revealing the contradictions between promises of progress and the harsh reality of the working class. The novel serves as a stark criticism of capitalism and its inequalities, with a clear Marxist and revolutionary perspective. The importance of Industrial Park to both literature and the social context of the time cannot be overstated. In addition to being a pioneering representation of the working class and feminist issues, the book is part of a broader movement of engaged literature, reflecting on Brazil's political and social transformations during modernization. Its direct, unadorned narrative and provocative tone were significant innovations in the literature of the time, marking the work as one of the most relevant in Brazilian history. To conclude, these are the 5 main characteristics of the book Industrial Park by Pagu. Social and political realism, the book provides a raw portrayal of the lives of workers in São Paulo during the 1930s, addressing the exploitation of the working class and the brutality of power relations under capitalism. Feminist perspective, Pagu places working-class women at the forefront, highlighting the multiple forms of oppression they face, such as sexual exploitation and devaluation in the workforce. Direct and provocative style, the language of Industrial Park is simple and impactful, without embellishments, creating an objective narrative that confronts readers with the harsh social and political realities of industrial Brazil. Critique of capitalism and the bourgeoisie, the work is a clear denunciation of capitalist exploitation and social inequalities, reflecting Pagu's Marxist perspective and her political militancy. Innovation in Brazilian proletarian literature, Industrial Park is considered the first proletarian novel in Brazil, paving the way for other works of engaged literature and giving voice to the oppressed classes. This was our summary of the book Industrial Park by Pagu. We hope it helped.